Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Traveler. Sorry if I looked a little bit disheveled. I had a pretty intense physical therapy session today. I have to tell you, medical treatment and care and everything here in Italy is so different. I mean, these guys are aggressive. Of course, this doctor is the guy that gets these soccer players back on the field, you know. I'm not a soccer player and have no desire to be, but boy, they're like, hey, get rid of those crutches, you know, now walk and do this and you do 20 of these. I'm like, I can't even do 3 of them. They're like, well, you're going to do 20. But in a good way, you know, always with a super high care factor, super compassionate. But gosh darn it, you're going to do 20. So all in all, I'm doing well. It's just, it's tiring. You know, the physical therapy is tiring. But I wanted to touch bases with everybody and say, you know, the reasons that we love Italy and Calabria, Puglia, where we've been, where we've gotten medical care, where we've kind of soaked in the culture and that kind of thing. It's just different. You know, there's a sense of community here that I haven't seen in our places in California for 30, 40 years. You know, back in the day, when we were kids, we all ran around the street, you know, we didn't have cell phones, that's how old I am. And, you know, lights came on and we came home. And if somebody was missing, well, the whole neighborhood just was lit up with everybody looking for this kid, and the kid was always found. And we always were, you know, relatively looked after and that sort of thing. And the adults were all in communication with each other. And it's the same thing here, whether you're in a big city or a community, a small hill town or something. It's very much the same. And, you know, I did a little shorty on how customer service is so different. You know, the guy in the pharmacy, I didn't want to get out of the car with my boot on and clump across the street into the parafarmacia, which is the place where you buy squeezy socks and crutches and things like that. And he came out and came across the street in his lab coat and measured my calf and measured my ankle to make sure I get the right size compression garment or sock or whatever you want to call it. And I thought that was really kind of stellar, you know. The shoe store where the guy was waiting on me. I mean, he was absolutely just, you know, took his job very seriously. I'm going to make sure you find the right shoes and that you get the ones that you need and want. They're going to fit you well and they're going to be good for your purposes. So it's just a very, very different thing. And it's really all over Italy. When I was in Florence, of course, with Signor Moretti, it was the same. You know, I love that shop. And if you go to Florence and you want a handbag, you have to go to see Signor Moretti, Walter Moretti, Pelletteria Moretti, and it's on Via Giuseppe Verdi. Just a little tip, just go there. Anyway, it's just kind of a different vibe. It's a throwback, and it's respect for the individual, and it's the value of human life, even if you're old, even if you're disabled, even if you're not having a good day. I mean, it's just all very, very much, yes, we understand. Yes, we're all in the human condition together, and yes, we still love you, even if you're cranky, which I think is really great for me, especially lately. But anyway, those are the things we love about Italy. Of course, there's the food, the culture, the landscape, everything else, the beauty wherever you look. But it's really the people that make Italy so, so amazing. So I hope that helps you guys if you're looking for a place to retire or whatever. I got to say, Italy is just a wonderful place to be. See ya.